So guys, ang pag-aaralan ulit natin ngayon ay tungkol sa contemporary arts lesson 2. Dito pag-aaralan natin yung mga elements of arts. So, simulan na natin. Why do artists create art? Bakit nga ba create yung arts? Para for worship, to evoke emotion, feelings, tell story, to reinforce cultural ties and traditional. So guys, ayun na yung bakit ginawa yung arts, diba? To capture historical events and people, for recognition, to bring attention to ordinary object. So yun ang bakit ginawa yung arts. Yan yung mga example natin. What is the element of arts? So dito papakita ko yung mga element of arts. Meron tayong apat na element of arts. Ito yung line, shape, color, space. So explain sa inyo kung ano nitong 4 elements. And number 5 in texture, value, and form. So this yung line guys. Line is identifiable path created by point moving space. So ito yung guys na ganda na yung ginamit natin. Importante ito kasi dito mabubuo yung isang drawing para ito yung ito yung nag-shape kung saan patungo yung drawing natin. Ayan, ganyan siya. Ayan. 2 is the area that includes by line or line shape or two-dimension figures with high and width. Ito yung yung ganyan sa bilog, magbibilog kayo, yung mga ibang shape, yung mga geometrical shape, yung granite shape, positive shape, pwede yung mga yung negative shape, static shapes, infinitival shape. Yung number 3 is color or the way you see the light, reflected form, surface, or reflected through prism. Ito yung nagpapakita ng color may buhay sa ating drawing. Ito yung nagpapakita ng paano siya maganda, kung para makita yung kung ano talaga yung drawing natin. Yan. Ito yung mga primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. Tandaan nyo yun guys kasi importante yan. Yan mga secondary colors, purple, orange, green. And theoretical colors, may madami yan. Hindi worms, colors. Pang-apat ay space. Refers to the area that occupied by object or subject. Ito yung space sa bawat drawing natin. So, para makakreate tayo 2 dimension using perspective natin yung ginagawa. Ganyan siya. Kung makikita nyo yung really space siya. Yan yung daan. Number 4 is texture. Refers to the feel or appearance of surface denoting the smoothness of roughness of the image or object. To texture may also describe as a real or imprint. Ito yung yung texture ng pagagawa natin ng drawing. Maganda ba? Gano'n siya paganda tignan ganyan siya. Yung may texture niya, diba? Pantay na pantay. Yan. Okay, so yun lang. Sa susunod na natin i-topic yung iba. Thank you.